Just see me in the picture.
I don't have to mesh nothing, just, okay.
Hi, and welcome to C Sparkle's Corner. And I want to thank all the viewers for all the viewer requests and information, and I'm going to be getting with you answering all your videotapes on Friday. Well, this is one of the things I do. I come to a place to be with my best friend, and we play pool, hang out, do girls chat and stuff like that. While I'm here, when I'm not on the pool table, I am exercising. And so, here we go. I run on this. And all you do, with ours, all you do is just do this. See, I can even do a hand on, like I'm going down a roller coaster. Whee! And stuff like that. And so I just do this for exercise, and it's one of the things I do. And I hope this answers your question, as I get to spend this special time with all my viewers and all of our friends out there. And so, there you have it, another exercise on this bike, and it's pretty easy and it's fun, and I do it until I get my heart rate up about 15, try to do about 15 minutes a day when I do it. So, thank you, and as always, we love you. We appreciate all of our viewers and all of our subscribers. Hugs and kisses from my family to yours. Thank you. See you next video. Bye, everybody.